Trust me, this is the easiest way you can prepare your chicken light soup, and the taste is absolutely good. It was very tasty, delicious, and oh my goodness, everyone fell in love with this. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where I share easy recipes, and because of that, please do not make it the last time of visiting. Subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. Thank you so much. Before we start with our recipe, our first ingredient we are going to use is our chicken. Okay, so I am just going to cut it and then we can proceed. I will thank you once again for clicking on this video. I am so grateful. My returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always spending some quality time with me. I am very grateful. So the first thing we are going to cut is the thigh, and then with the thigh we are going to get the drumsticks and then the feet, and then we proceed with the other part. Thank you so much. Please, we are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please follow us for more videos. If you want short videos like a minute video, follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and then our YouTube short. Trust me, you will love it, okay? Yes, you will love it. Now we are done cutting it. I am going to divide it into three, like I said earlier: the thigh, the drumsticks, and then the feet. Now I've cut the wings. Okay, if you want to divide the wings into two, you can just go ahead and do so. I'm just going to divide the whole chicken into two for us to get the back and then the breast. For the breast, you can divide it into two or four, and then for the back you can divide it into two or just the whole one. You can put it in your cooking pot and then start cooking, or you can just cut it according to any size that you want. Okay, so this is the breast, and like I said earlier, we are going to divide it into four, and then we are good to go. Now you just cut through the breast, and then that is perfect. So this is what I meant earlier. Okay, getting the thigh and then getting the drumsticks and then the feet. Should you are hearing any noise at the background, please forgive me. Okay, yes, I had to walk and then be doing the voiceover as well. So that is the feet. We are separating from the drumsticks. With the feet, you have to make sure you cut the nails and then every part that is not nice, and then you discard it. As for the feet, I have never seen anyone enjoying it in this house before, but this is the reason I am going to use it. I just want to use it because of presentation purposes. Okay, after I am done cooking, if anyone wants to enjoy that, I can just give it to the person who wants to eat it. Okay, but trust me, I just want to use it because of presentation purposes. So I have divided the wings into two as well, so that it can be a bit smaller, and when you pick it, you don't have to between it wasting time on it plenty before you get to another meat. Just look at that. It is perfectly cut and then good. So I'll cut that part and then discard it as well. Now we are done with our chicken, and just look at that. Absolutely nice. In my cooking pot, I have poured the chicken in it. We fried some. I brought you the recipe earlier. Please go through the channel, you will see it. Now I've added my pepper, ginger, garlic, onions. I blended all and then chopped some of the pepper as well, and then added it to it. I added my salt and then my chicken seasoning. Now let it stay on the fire for some time. This is very hard, so you have to cook it very well. Okay, in case you are using the same chicken, this is very hard. So I'm just going to cook it for about 40 minutes, and after 40 minutes we will proceed. Just look at that. Absolutely good. Now our chicken is well cooked, and just look at the stack you are seeing, it looks very colorful and then delicious. This one is local chicken, okay? Yes. So I have with me here my blended tomatoes, garden eggs. I am just going to pour it, yes, on the chicken and then give it a stir. So we use the fresh ingredients, okay? The ingredients I've just added, they are all fresh ingredients. Now we are making this like how we prepare it traditionally, okay? So we are not going to use carrots and bell pepper and anything, but we use the garden eggs, tomatoes and co. You can as well add some turkey berries to it, and trust me, it also add some delicious taste to your soup. Give it a stir and then allow this to be on fire. We are going to wait for some time and then I'll get back to you. After 15 minutes, oh my goodness, just look at that vibrant color. It looks so delicious and this was so tasty, and I just don't know how I should describe it to you. It was so nice, okay? If you've watched me till this point, I guess you like the video. Can you please like it for me if you haven't? Share to others, and please leave me your comments in the comment section so that I will know how you think about the video or the recipe, and also let me know how you also prepare your chicken light soup so that I'll also learn something from you. I've added some chili pepper to it because I don't want it to become spicy so that those who do not like pepper cannot enjoy it. So should the pepper is not enough for someone, they can at least mash some in it. I added some garden eggs as well, and I am just going to leave this on fire so that the chili pepper can cook very well. Now I have tasted for salt and our salt is okay, so we are going to wait for extra 10 to 15 minutes, and when it is ready I will show you how the soup is. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. I don't take it for granted. I am so grateful. Now this is how our soup is looking. Just look at that. It looks so good. Whenever I see chicken feet in a soup, it looks so nice to me. So I decided to add a feet to the soup today, even though I know no one will enjoy it, okay? Yes. Now at this point, some people prefer to add some okra to it so that it can cook, and then they add it. When you are eating your fufu, you mash it and then enjoy it with the fufu. Others also prepare the okra somewhere, and when they are eating their fufu or serving the fufu, they add it to it. We are just going to allow our okra to cook at the side, and when we are done, we add it to it. Our soup is ready, and thank you so much. We paired this with fufu and it was absolutely good. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. Till I come your way next time, always remember, I love you. Take good care of yourself, eat healthy, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.